Hello, hello, dear children. As you guys are home and trying to help your parents, help your mom to cook something and be a part of the cooking, today I'm making creamy chicken macaroni. And it's a very easy recipe for that. I have 1 pound pack of the elbow macaroni. You can have any, if you like penne pasta, or if you have that in the pantry, it can do fine too. Then I have this tomato and basil sauce. We will need some salt, black pepper powder, ground white pepper, any cream, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I have this sour cream, so we are gonna use that. And then some lemon juice. At the end, I'll let you know we have to use cheddar cheese. I have this one, so I'll just finish this one up. It's a blend of cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Bring 4 to 6 quarts of water to boil, and then add the whole 1 pound packet of elbow noodles or macaroni to it. Add 1 teaspoon or to taste of salt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And my family likes when the pasta is like nice and tender and all done, so I'll give it a mix. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil while boiling it for 8 to 9 minutes. So I'm gonna put a timer, and then different brands, they take different time to get done, so please keep an eye. You don't want it too soft and mushy. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to it. So after boiling it for 8 to 9 minutes, it's all nicely done, and I have drained the water. And the tip is, or the trick is, to just run some cold water so they don't stick together. And adding 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon oil to the boiling water along with the salt helps them to stay separated also. You'll note the difference when you boil it like this. Over here I have this cut clean and washed chicken boneless thigh pieces, and in this it's 1 pound 500 grams, and in this I'm gonna add just 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And then I have this tandoori masala by Shan, so I'm just using this. If you level it, it's 1 teaspoon. If your family likes it more spicy, you can add a little bit more. 1 teaspoon leveled of any brand tikka masala or tandoori masala. I'm just adding this along with 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Also, I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoon. I'm using the same teaspoon of lemon juice in it. Lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, and tikka or tandoori masala. You can use either one of that. Mix it, marinate it for 15 minutes, and then we just have to cook them. In 2 tablespoons of oil, we'll just cook them for 12 to 15 minutes on medium to high flame, until the chicken looks all cooked. While the chicken is being marinated, keep it covered at a side. And then another thing which is optional is small cubes of green capsicum or shimla mirch. You can also add this. Pasta is on the menu. Everyone is ready to help. Here my 8th grader is cooking the chicken. Yes, this is being cooked nicely. We have to cook it for 12 to 15 minutes until it looks nice and tender and cooked. Now let's see. Oh my god, it looks cooked, tender, and yummy. So we will add the pasta sauce to this chicken. Nicely and slowly we'll have this pasta sauce, all of it. And so like this, I just added half a cup of water and clean the jar, adding it in the pot. And then we will add some seasoning. You're gonna add half teaspoon of salt. Then we'll add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of white pepper, and then we'll add some red chili flakes, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, and then we'll add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. We'll add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. If you don't like that lemony taste, it's optional. You can omit this, as we have already added 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice while marinating the chicken. At this point, we are gonna mix it. Now it's still being cooked with the sauce, with all the yummy seasoning to get all the flavoring of the tomato basil pasta sauce and the soya sauce. On medium to high flame, we have to let it cook with the lid cover exactly for 2 minutes. We also have to preheat our oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's what's going on. While it's being cooked, we'll add the small cubes of the green capsicum or the shimla mirch. So I'm adding this as much as you like. You can also adding some greens and vegetables to our diet too in this one. Wow, how colorful and nice it looks. It smells good too. Give it a try soon and let me know how it turns out. Let it cook on simmer. So now it's my youngest one's turn to add the cream. Cream is optional. We do have it, so we are adding the sour cream. 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons of any cream, whipping cream or the cooking cream. We have the sour cream. Now he is adding this boiled pasta is already in the baking dish. He is adding the cream to it, giving it a mix. Good job. Faris, do you want to say hi?
Hello.
Very good. I'm so happy the kids are helping. They're home. They're behaving nicely, cleaning up after eating. It's amazing. Great lessons learned. Yeah, I think 2 to 3 tablespoons he have added and it looks good. And now we are gonna pour the pasta sauce. Now I'm adding the sauce along with the chicken to it. Give it a nice mix so everything is nicely mixed together. It's very creamy and it has a lot of sauce. It will not go dry and it looks and smells so tasty. Last but not the least, we have to add some shredded cheddar cheese. We have the blend of cheddar and mozzarella. That's what we are adding. It really depends how much cheese you like. I'm just gonna finish this packet, whatever I have, sprinkle that on top of it, and then it's going uncovered in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 5 minutes or until the cheese is all melted. So let's put it in the oven. So this is the final look after baking it for 4 to 5 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how it looks. Yummy, delicious. Tabasco sauce is just an additional thing if someone likes it. Please make this recipe, enjoy it with your family. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this recipe, this video with your family and friends. And till next video, stay healthy and take care. Goodbye.